When you start using a MIDI keyboard, you typically run into a very basic connectivity problem. With multiple MIDI tracks, you have to connect each one to the right MIDI input. But when you start playing the keys, all the tracks start making sounds at the same time. The quick workaround for that is to toggle off MIDI input for tracks that you don't want playing back right now. But it's cumbersome, and there are two ways to deal with this that are vastly more efficient. The first one works better when you sit right next to your computer when you play, so you can point and click on a track that you want to make a sound. Go to Edit, Preferences, MIDI, and make sure that MIDI input following MIDI track selection checkbox at the bottom is enabled. After that, go to the MIDI port config page, find the main MIDI port for your MIDI keyboard, and click on these checkboxes to enable accepting music data and follow selection. Now let's open the MIDI connections dialog and see how it works. We select the first track, and you can see that it automatically connects to the keyboard. We select the second track, and the keyboard disconnects from the first track and connects to the second one. Then we select the third track, and the same thing happens again. In some cases, however, you might want to switch between tracks without clicking anything in the user interface. In that case, you have more setting up to do. What you want here is restricting MIDI input of tracks to a particular MIDI channel, and then switching between channels on your keyboard. Let's say you want your pad on the first channel, your bass on the second channel, your lead on the third channel, some sort of effect on the fourth channel, maybe a piano on the fifth, and the drums on the 10th channel. First of all, let's disable MIDI input following MIDI track selection so that it wouldn't clash with what we're going to do. Now right-click on the first track's header and choose Channel Selector. Switch to Record Only Select Channels. Keep the first channel selected and close the dialog. Now repeat the process for the second track, but this time select the second channel. Repeat the process for the other tracks. When you are done, all you have to do is switch between MIDI channels on your MIDI keyboard. So now, on channel 1, you will hear pads, on channel 2 you will hear the bass, and so on. Ultimately, it is up to you which of the two workflows you settle on.